Um, just trying to figure out the best path because that channel that you see me running the wires on there, it doesn't go all the way to the root of the wing, so there has to take a quick jog somewhere in that process and avoid the torque tube, which you'll see there right below me. It's the kind of the brassy looking thing. Um, the way a couple of the videos, or at least even the instructions have it, is the wiring can go down. There's three different holes in each of the ribs that you can put in some rubber grommets to protect not only the two pitot static tubes, but also the wiring that goes along the way. Basically, I just took a jog there right about the root of the torque tube and put in a couple of click bond mounts to tie wrap the wires so that they make a quick jog out to the metal channel there, which is really intended to have the wiring run down it because it's got little holes throughout it to be able to zip tie it. And I'm using the grip lock ties. The 5-inch are a perfect size to go through that hole. And if you haven't seen the grip lock ties, they're actually kind of nice. They're meant to be like UV protected so that they don't age out, and they do have a rubber channel on each side of it so that they don't cut as part of the wire, the tie wrap itself. Um, Part of this build, I'm putting in a heated and regulated pitot tube, which has the angle of attack, and it's an upgrade for the system here because it's going to be a full IFR platform. As part of that, there is a GAP 26 device that you see there sitting on the wing top there that's got some wires coming out of the little box.